So today I'll be showing you how to insert a SIM card inside your Galaxy Z Flip 8. Now, with the phone open like this, then the SIM tray is in the upper left side, and when it's closed, when it's closed like this, it's right here. So depending on whether you have it open or closed, it's going to be right here. So what you need to do is grab the SIM ejector tool that comes in the box, or any SIM ejector tool really, and just put it in that little hole and push perpendicularly or at 90 degrees towards the phone, and you'll see the SIM tray pop out. Then you can remove the ejector tool, use the tips of your fingers to pull out the SIM tray, just like that. Now the SIM tray takes only one physical nano SIM card, no support for micro SD card or dual SIM, only one physical nano SIM card. Now, of course, you can use dual SIM on this phone if you have eSIM, but as far as physical SIM card goes, only one SIM card. So you're gonna place it like this with the contacts facing up, and with that indent matching the indent on the SIM tray, just like that. And then this indent should match. And once that matches, then you should now be able to pick up the phone and slide the SIM card, or rather the SIM tray with the SIM card, back into the phone. So make sure the hole here aligns with the hole here, then just push, and in case it pops out, just remove and redo it. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure it's sitting properly, and then I'm gonna just now push it. So that is basically how you do that. Now the phone should immediately detect that there's a SIM card inserted. But if you go into settings and SIM manager, you should see your SIM card detected. Okay, so it's going to be settings, connections, and then SIM manager, and you can see your SIM card right there. You can also see from here that we have eSIM support. So if you want a dual SIM setup, you're going to have to do with either two eSIMs or one physical SIM and an eSIM. Thanks for watching. Good luck.